My name is Mike Hoffman, and I'm here to share with you how to produce a good quality crop of bud and bloom endless summer hydrangea. When we drench the hydrangeas with aluminum sulfate, we use the Delta, which is not coated. What we do in a 200-foot greenhouse where we have pots, pot to pot, we'll use 8 bags of Delta mixed with water through an injector to drench the whole house. A 200-foot house will have about 8,000 to 9,000 pots, pot to pot, in the greenhouse. So 8 bags will treat about 8,000 to 9,000 pots. If your pH is too low, like below 4.0, you're going to have problems most likely with the foliage of your twist and shout first. That's the most susceptible. And the foliage will start turning kind of purple and red. For crops like bloomstruck, for example, it tends to be a little more stout and compact naturally. We try to get by with like 2 B9s at 5,000 parts per million each, and we grow our crop about 60 degrees. If you grow colder, you need less growth regulators. If you grow warmer, let's say you got hanging baskets or other crops next to it that need to be warmer, then you normally need more growth regulators to get that plant top quality that does not flop for Mother's Day. When the flowers open on any of the hydrangeas, we're not giving any growth regulators because you can burn the florets once the florets are actually opening. So you want to give just enough growth regulator to get that plant strong and not floppy for the garden center, but then nothing more after that. On the bloomstruck, after the 2 B9s, if the plant seems like it's going to keep growing too vigorously, we will give it 1 bonsai drench at about 8 parts per million drench. And we go from pot to pot drenching directly to the soil. On twist and shout, we might give just 1 or 2 apps of B9, and that might be enough. Once the flower starts opening up on twist and shout, the broccoli starts to show, then you don't need as much growth regulator. The Endless Summer Original tends to be more aggressive. Besides having a tendency to make basal buds and stem buds, it grows faster, so we'll use combinations of B9 and bonsai. It may get 2 bonsai drenches. Very important not to give too much bonsai because bonsai tends to stay in the plant, and it may actually prevent the plant from growing in the summer at the homeowner's